Hello kids. Welcome back to DrawColor. Today we are going to see how to draw and color an ice cream truck and some interesting facts about an ice cream truck. Ice cream trucks often play cheerful music to let everyone know they're coming. When you hear that jingly tune, it's time to get excited for ice cream. Ice cream trucks are like rolling ice cream shops on wheels. They bring delicious frozen treats right to your neighborhood. Ice cream trucks offer a wide range of treats, including ice cream cones, popsicles, ice cream sandwiches, and more. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Ice cream trucks are often decorated with bright and colorful designs that make them easy to spot from afar. The person driving the ice cream truck is called the ice cream vendor. They're usually very friendly and happy to serve you your favorite ice cream. Ice cream trucks are a popular sight during the summertime when people are looking for ways to cool off and enjoy a tasty treat. You can find classic ice cream flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, as well as fun and unique flavors like bubblegum or cotton candy. Ice cream is often served in a cone, which you can lick and enjoy while it melts on a hot day. In addition to ice cream trucks carry frozen novelties like the famous ice cream bars with a chocolate coating. Visiting an ice cream truck is a special treat for many kids and brings back happy memories for adults too. Enjoying ice cream from a truck is often an outdoor activity. You can savor your treat while playing in the park or hanging out with friends. Sometimes, the ice cream vendor might have special surprises or toys along with the ice cream. It's like getting two treats in one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to DrawColor for more videos like this.